Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, this Crypto Insider. If you're into this channel, do well to subscribe, and if you're watching my videos, thank you. So the layer edge is almost coming to an end. The team hinted that the browser-based node will be ending on 22nd, but then today, some minutes ago, the command line, the CLI came out. The command line interface came out, and there was a requirement for us to be able to run this CLI. So, and it's not free. You're going to have to pay a particular amount of money. So stay with me as I show you how to take part and run this CLI and get lots of points. So we'll be going to the X page, so I'll let you know the latest developments on their own part. So this is the Layer Edge X page. As you can see, 8 hours ago, it said Layer Edge testnet phase 2's command line interface is now live. Run verification seamlessly to our CLI on your own system, ensuring continuous uptime on testnets for our global verification engine. So it's like 8 hours, but although as you can see, the site is going on maintenance because they're having some challenges. But I'll also show us how we can do this to be easier. So there are three. Currently, I know of 3 to 4 sites or 3 to 4 ways to run this. One, you can use the Minter XYZ to run it. You can use the Rapid node. You can use the Easy node, and then you can use the Easy node, and then you can use the verifiers network, and that's what I'll be using because it was recommended by Layer Edge testnet. So they said VRFRS as a verifiers network just made deploying our CLI nodes effortless. Now live on base with exclusive perks for pledge pass holders. So if you're able to pay for the pledge pass, either the free one or the OG pass, there's a discount. Normally running the CLI costs $5, $4.99, but those that will be using the verifiers network will just pay $4. That's $1 discount, and it's very okay. So I'll be using the verifiers network to show us how to run this node. I can see here it said the browser-based node ends on 22nd, while the CLI-based nodes and testnet phase 2 ends on 25th. So we'll have roughly less than a week to run this. So stay with me as I show you how to do this. So I'm making use of my OKX DApp browser to run this. If you're using MetaMask tab browser, if you're using Mises, you can also join me to do this. So first thing first, you have to purchase $4.5 worth of Ethereum. On $4.5 worth of Ethereum, you can buy it from the SEX exchange. You can buy from Bybit, from Binance, from any exchange you're using. So when you buy, you can come over to your OKX, go over to Base Network, and transfer the Ethereum that you bought. Transfer the Ethereum that you bought to your OKX or to your MetaMask using the Base network. Take note, Base network. Don't use any other network to send this, else you will lose your Ethereum. So send it through the Base network. So when you send it through the Base network, we come over to this dashboard. So clicking here, this is the verifiers. Say check out exclusive perks on CLI for your pledge pass. So we're using the verifiers network. So you click here. So this is once you click on it, the wallet connects automatically. So let's proceed. It's taking time to load. So once it's done loading, this is the dashboard. You can see exclusive prices for pledge pass holders. So now it depends on the pledge pass you hold. If this is the OG pledge pass, and this is the standard pledge pass. So if you own both of them, like I own both of them, so if you own both of them, you go ahead to use the OG pledge pass. But if you own just the standard pledge pass, you can decide to use the standard pledge pass. So this instruction was given by them. So it said choose the pledge pass you own. If you own both, select OG. So I'm using OG. So if you don't have the OG pledge pass, you can use the standard pledge pass. So and you can see the discounts here. So it's lagging. You can see here it's initially 0.025, but because of the pledge pass, it's currently 0.02. So we're using the price from $5 to $4. So I advise you fund the account is $4.5. So you'll be able to pay for gas fees, for transfers, and the gas for processing this. So we'll go ahead to verify ownership. So click on verify ownership down here. Okay, so since it's my account, check your ownership. So verification successful. So next thing is host Layer Edge testnet CLI for 0.020 Ethereum. So go ahead to click on buy now. Buy. So I think it's lagging a bit because a lot of person that is using the server. So to bring it to a payment page for it to complete the transaction. So this is it. Pay this is the network, is the fee, and so go ahead to confirm. So also ensure that you are on the base network. Also ensure that you switch. So if you are, because your DApp browser will on default to be on Ethereum. So if you're on Ethereum network, it will ask for you to switch it to the base network. So ensure you switch to the base network. So I think it's successful now. So I'll go ahead to deploy. So click on deploy here. So once you deploy, you confirm. So after deploying, you'll be given an option to copy your public key. So because of network, let me show us. So due to some issues, the LayerEdge dashboard is undergoing maintenance. I said we're having huge surge of requests and potential DDoS attacks, so we're going to maintenance. But after a while, they came back and said the maintenance is taking longer than expected, just for linking CLI to the dashboard. Rest everything on the dashboard works normally. Rest assured points are intact, but linking your CLI to the dashboard may take up to 18 hours from now. Thank you for your patience while we're on it. So that's why we're having issues linking, that's why we're having issues deploying, because of the issue they're having. But then you can go ahead to position yourself for this CLI. So while I tell us the remaining steps to follow. So let's go back to the dashboard. So once we've deployed and copied your public key, you come over to this CLI base point over here. Come to this plus here, this plus sign here, click on it. Once you click on it, you paste the public key here in this option for enter your public key. Once you place it, once you put it there, you link your wallet. So once it connects, the node here will start running, just the way this browser-based node points is running, to be running. And it's run for 24 hours, then you come and restart it. So once you're done with this step, we'll go over to the tasks. Go over to the tasks here. Once you go to the task, link your CLI client to your wallet. So once because we've linked it from what I showed us previously. So just come over here, verify it, so you get 10,000 edge points. So I think that's it for running the CLI. So if you have any question, once the LayerEdge team lets us know that deploying and linking the public key to the dashboard, once let us know that it's working, I will immediately let us know through a short video. But for now, pay for the CLI and try to deploy it. Once it starts working out, let us know. Thank you for watching this video. Endeavor to continue to farm points. If you're yet to start LayerEdge, my link will be in the dashboard. Try to keep your node running till 22nd for the browser base, and then the CLI till 25th. I wish us all good luck, and I hope that this airdrop really rewards us for all we've done. If you're new, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also like this video if you enjoyed it. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I also have a Telegram channel where I drop a lot of updates. So do well to click the link in my description to join my Telegram channel. See you next time.